Hello everyone, today we have Beginner's Female Ballet Variation tutorial and we are going to be learning Bluebird from the Sleeping Beauty. Say that, let's get to it. Let's begin facing right diagonal, left leg in front, arms on allongé, battement tendu forward. Demi-plie in first position, grand battement à la seconde, passe plié, facing your left diagonal. We are going to do pas de bourre forward. And repeat everything to the other side. Demi-plie, grand battement, facing your right diagonal, demi-plie passé, pas de bourre. Demi-plie, grand battement, plie passé, pas de bourre forward. Grand battement, plie passé, pas de bourre forward. Next, from that pas de bourre, we are going to do demi-plie, fouette arabesque, plie, tendu, tendu. Demi-plie and repeat everything to the other side. Fouette, arabesque, plie, tendu, tendu. And we are going to repeat again 2 more times. Grand battement, passe plie. Grand battement, passe plie. Demi-plie, relevé, détourné. From here we're going to do 3 steps forward in relevé. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from that diagonal, what we're going to do is échappé, close, forward, relevé, relevé, 3 relevé, plié, and repeat that 3 times. Let's take it from the 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, up, and we are going to do tan, tan, ta da da da. Da, 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 da. And again, échappé, chan, 1, 2, 3, go, échappé, 2, 3, up. From the soutenu, we are going to do passe and close, passe and close, demi-plie, and we go relevé, 1, 2, 3, 4, tendu to the side, pique soutenu, and goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take it from the last échappé, relevé, relevé, continue. So it goes 3, 2, 3, and pop. We go passe, passe, tendu, plie. 1, 2, 3, 4, battement tendu to the side. Pique soutenu, and slowly walk, walk. And here comes the complicated part. Tendu forward, facing your right diagonal, but looking at your left diagonal, we are going to do demi-plie, pique soutenu, demi-plie, pique soutenu, demi-plie. We are going to do 4. 4. Now we are going to do passe, down, pose. I presented for you the most difficult skills are going to be either pique soutenu and tournant or the grand fouette that ends in arabesque demi-plie. Well, for you to improve those skills, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video, where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you of how to improve your ballet technique. So go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.